Hello stenographers, welcome back to your own channel Panda Stenographer. Ready for dictation? Start. Brief facts necessary for the adjudication of the case are that FIR number 236 dated 4/10/2014 was registered against the petitioner under sections 376D, 506 IPC and section 4 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 on the statement of the prosecutrix. Stop. Prosecutrix stated that a year prior to the lodging of the FIR, she was studying in class 7 and one day her cycle got punctured. Stop. The present petitioner, along with another boy, made her sit on her motorcycle outside her school and took her to tube-well room in the fields. Stop. She was threatened rape committed upon her and obscene photographs taken. Stop. It is further stated that she was threatened with disclosure of the incident and the photographs of her family and villagers. Stop. The accused then left her in the village. Stop. Thereafter, she was subjected to rape by accused on a number of occasions. Stop. It is therefore stated that one day they gave her a mobile phone and she used to talk to the petitioner on the said mobile phone. Stop. However, later another boy, namely Sonny, who also studying in their school, asked her to accompany him while giving a threat of public the obscene photographs. Stop. However, when she refused, a number of other boys also called her on the phone. Stop. They named the present petitioner and indulged in vulgar talk. Stop. When the prosecutrix remained under tension, her family members came to know that she was in possession of a cell phone. Stop. On enquiry, she revealed the entire incident to her family. Stop. It is further stated that her family also apprehends danger to their life. Stop. Action was thus prayed for. Stop. Para. Petitioner moved an application under Section 7 of the Juvenile Justice bracket Care and Protection of Children bracket Act 2000 for being declared a juvenile in conflict with law, claiming his date of birth to be 2/2/1996 on the basis of a school transfer certificate Exhibit A1. Stop. The prosecution resisted this application while contending that the date of birth of the petitioner was 10/2/1995. Stop. Reliance was placed upon an admission form for nursery at Akal Academy, Ajitsar, Ratia, bracketed Haryana, Exhibit R1, copy of the admission withdrawal register Exhibit R2 and a school certificate as Exhibit R3 issued by Akal Academy, Ajitsar, Ratia, bracketed Haryana. Stop. Para. Learned trial court, considering the material on record, observed that reliance by the petitioner on the school transfer certificate Exhibit A1 is of no avail to him for the reason that the basis on which his date of birth entered in the certificate is not available on record. Stop. The applicant petitioner, it was observed, did not examine any of his parents or any relative who got him admitted in the school at Musa Kheda. Moreover, the said school certificate did not relate to the school first attended by him. Stop. The trial court placed reliance upon the document produced by the prosecution while observing that the petitioner did not lead any evidence whatsoever to rebut the school certificate Exhibit R3 in the admission form Exhibit R1 and the admission withdrawal registered Exhibit R2 of the Akal Academy, Ajitsar, Ratia, bracketed Haryana. Stop. The petitioner's application was thus dismissed. Stop. Para. In the present petition, the petitioner, apart from assailing the impugned order dated 15/1/2013, sought to place reliance on a certificate issued by the National Institute of Open Schooling, bracketed Exhibit P2, to prove that his date of birth was 2/2/1996. Stop. Annexure P2 is the marksheet of the petitioner in respect to his matriculation examination, which he took in April 2013 through the National Institute of Open Schooling. Stop. Para. The petitioner has annexed a document bracketed annexure P2, that is the certificate issued by National Institute of Open Schooling presenting his date of birth as 2/2/1996, thus has introduced a new document. Stop. Learned Senior Counsel submits that the view of Section 7A of the Juvenile Justice (Care and Protection of Children) Act 2000 read with Rule 12(3) of the Juvenile Justice (Care and Protection of Children) Rules 2007, the petitioner can raise the plea of juvenile on the basis of date of birth at any stage of the proceedings. Stop. Over. Thank you for listening my video. If you like my sound, please press like and share with your friends and subscribe your own channel Panda Stenographer.